guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another video. Welcome to my local woods if you're new to the channel. If you joined the channel recently, thank you very much. Hope you like the content, and thank you for joining the channel. Yeah, I just popped up here now. It's Friday today. The weekend is upon us, and I thought I'd come and do a bit of trailing and crawling. There's quite a few dead fallen trees around here, as some of you been with the channel for a while know. Yeah, just got back from London with a wife. She had to go to hospital for a quick appointment, and yeah, just gonna chill out, do a bit of trailing. As I said, this is my local woods, a couple of minutes up the road. So yeah, watch this space and stick around till the end. So if you're new to the channel, welcome. Thank you for joining Rui's RC Adventures. This is one of three little crawlers I've got. This is my Element Ecto, which I'm the third owner. This used to belong to Dwight, aka the RC family. And then my friend Marciu, aka Bonnie's RC, bought it off him. And then I bought it off Marciu around, I think about November last year, if I remember correctly. Back up a little bit. Oh dear. I made a mess of this, but let's see if we can rescue it. Yeah, this bit has changed a lot. This has, electronics-wise, a Fusion 1200 SE. It's got a Chinesium 70 kg servo. I already had these beadlocks on my other truck, the Outback Texan, with Proline trenches on 3D printed foams, and I bought a receiver to pair it up with one of my Dunbar RC radios. I really like these because I drive one-handed, and yeah, they've got a little thumb steer in it. So yeah, one-handed driving, and then film. I was using my gimbal, but don't know, I just took a liking to my selfie stick again. I used to complain about this phone not being great on the camera. I think it's done a software update recently, and I don't know, I just feel the camera's a little bit better. So yeah, uno trail session, boys and girls. And I say girls because I know girls watch this channel, so thank you for doing that. It's nice to see girls in the hobby, not just the boys. So, a little torque twister. Right, onwards and upwards. Here we go, guys. There's one of them log piles. Some of you have seen it. Grateful for the council to pile these up rather than taking them, because they make really good obstacles. Not much rocks around here, I'm afraid, which is a shame, because yeah, I love rock crawling. Ooh, that's a good crawl. Most times I have to bump up that bit. Oh, these fusions are buttery smooth. They really are. Right, I'm going to attempt a little different line. Rather than going down through there, I'm going to go up that way. So that's just one I've done with the mauler only, so bear with me. As I said, this is one I've only done with the mauler, and obviously the mauler runs on knockoff capper axles, portals. As you guys can see, I'm scraping the pumpkins on mine. So, yeah, I'm toast. Man, it really wasn't working out for me on this one, was it? It still isn't. Oh well. So much for coming off of that one. Oh, even that descent was rubbish. I'm doing well. So welcome to the Crown Tree, guys. So if you're familiar with my channel, you've seen this. If you're new, this is basically a massive, great big tree. So it's like 6 branches into one, with a great big gap there in the middle. Unfortunately, when it rains, it holds a bit of water and it becomes stale. So me and the boys put a few broken tree branches in there, because when the water in there becomes stale, it stinks. Yeah, this is when I was having problems with my Texan as well the other day, and just kept sliding me off around sort of there. Let's see what happens with that one. Okay, no problems with this one today. Fair enough. Yeah, as you guys can see, must mean stale water. Yuck, smells. I am not putting my car in there, that's for sure. Nice easy descent. Here we go. Another pile of logs, guys. So I've actually tried this one in a little while with the Ecto. It's going to be a tricky one, this one. Can't see where I'm going. That's okay. Maybe not. Ooh, let me go on to the other side. When I said let me go on to this side, it's easier said than done, because there's a bloody jungle of twigs here. Easier said than done. Anywho, make sure I keep the car in focus. Hey. Nice. I don't know about you guys, but wherever I go, if I go there regularly, I have certain obstacles that are mandatory pit stops. And around this place, this is one of them. Looks rather inconspicuous, but as you guys will see, it is not easy. And then after, to finish off the video, we're going to go and tackle that big pile of logs. Wow, that wasn't too bad. Awesome. Right, let's get on it. I did put that wedge there because otherwise there's no way of getting up there. But I did put it at an angle, not to make it too easy, because if it's too easy, it's not much fun, is it? Not for me anyway. No, let's turn them around. Oh yeah, I love this bit of the climb. Awesome. I don't know if I'm going to be able to turn them around, but give it a try, because the way down is just as difficult. Right, let's turn it up here. Yeah, this is going to be the fun part. Ooh, steady, steady, steady. Ideally, I'd like to go left. Nah, right, let's try and make it all the way down from here. This might end up in a crash, but so be it. Whoa, yeah, boy. Awesome. Right, that concludes our video for today. Thank you for watching. If you stayed until the end, I appreciate it. And watch out for the next video. Bye for now.